Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is an incredible popular site where thousands and thousands of people come every day to make some easy, simple online cash flow. Uh, this site has a lot of things to offer. As you can see, you just go to Earn. Once you sign up for free, you just go to Earn, like I said. Go to offer walls, as you can see right there. Daily surveys. You go to that. You can go to videos. You can go to apps. Then go over here to promo codes. Just read that information. And you can receive points and bonus codes. Okay. You also go get your referral link over here. You're going to earn 10% of all their earnings for life. 10% of everything that you refer is earned by completing offers. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to go back to offers, like I say. You can really get a lot of points for these. And then you can redeem. Once you get a certain amount of points, you just come over here to the Redeems tab. As you can see, get PayPal from 125 points and up. You got Amazon, Walmart, PlayStation, Google Play, on and on and on, so forth. As you can see, you know this site for real when they got this many different things that you can redeem for your points on here. And like I say, you're going to get 10% of all your referrals earnings. And it's free to join. And this site has been around for years and it's made a lot of people a lot of money. So, like I say, it's free to join. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and just click on the link below. I'm also going to add a link to my blog. And y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.